Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to create rounded corners on your photos in Canva. There are two options and I will explain both of them. I'm already working in a Canva design project and I go to the Elements section in the left toolbar and look for frames. There are various frames to choose from, but for now I will select the one with the rounded edges. Then I search for a photo in the Elements search bar and place it inside the frame. Now you have created the first photo option with rounded corners. Now let's explore option 2. I've uploaded the photo in my uploads. If you want to upload your own photo, click on Upload Files and then drag the photo onto your canvas. And then by clicking on the border style function in Canva, you can adjust the corner rounding to different sizes. And those are the two options you have in Canva for rounding the corners on your images. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I do my best to assist you if you face any issues. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and don't forget to give it a like and consider subscribing.